Want to get ridiculously strong in just 4 weeks? I'm not talking about kind of strong. I mean the kind of strength that makes carrying all your groceries in one trip feel like a joke. Stick around because I'm giving you the 7 best strength-building exercises to turn you into an absolute powerhouse. And trust me, you won't want to miss number 7. It's a game changer. First up, the king of all lifts, deadlifts. If you want full body power, this is your go-to move. It hits your hamstrings, glutes, back, and core all at once, building real-world strength for everything from lifting heavy furniture to dominating in sports. Just ask Hafthor Bjornsson, aka The Mountain, who deadlifted an insane 1,104 pounds. But before you go full mountain mode, focus on perfect form, because nothing kills progressive faster than bad technique. Number 2, standing overhead press. We got the standing overhead press, or as I like to call it, the Spirit Bomb. If you want boulder shoulders and rock-solid triceps, this is the move. But here's the real magic. It also works your core and legs since you're supporting a heavy weight overhead. No more shaky shoulders, just pure pressing power. Number 3, pull-up. If you want gorilla-like upper body strength, pull-up are non-negotiable. They hammer your lats, biceps, and grip strength, all while proving whether you can actually handle your own body weight. Here's a challenge. The world record for pull-ups in 24 hours is 10,101. Think you can beat that? Number 4, the kettlebell swing. Think of this as a perfect mix of strength and cardio. It builds explosive hip drive, core strength, and grip endurance, all while melting fat. Plus, the Russian military has used kettlebells for centuries to build strength. So if it works for them, it works for us. Number 5, squats. If you're not squatting, you're not serious about strength. Squats build powerful legs, glutes, and core, making you stronger from head to toe. Fun fact, ancient Hindu wrestlers were doing deep bodyweight squats daily in the 1700s to build insane endurance. So, next time you squat, remember, you're carrying on a centuries-old strength tradition. At number 6, the bench press. The gold standard for upper body strength. This move hammers your chest, shoulders, and triceps like nothing else. Ever wonder why every gym bro asks, how much do you bench? Well, maybe because Julius Maddox bench pressed a ridiculous 782 pounds. That's like pushing a full-grown grizzly bear off your chest. Number 7, sled push. And finally, the ultimate secret to brutal strength, the sled push. If you've ever seen football players train, you know this one's a brutal full-body movement. It builds insane leg power, speed, and endurance, turning you into a human bulldozer. Now that you know the 7 best strength exercises, here's how to put them to work for crazy gains. Train 4 days a week, alternating upper and lower body, and watch your strength skyrocket in just 4 weeks. Drop a like and comment your favorite exercise below.